Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel, Chili 1911. So, a few minutes ago I was doing a case canoe video. If you haven't saw that one, go ahead and watch it. And I was going through some stuff and actually found a couple of Zippos that I forgot I had. So that was pretty exciting for a few minutes. It's always a good day when you find something you forgot you had, but I just want to take a minute and show you these. So one's a blister and one is a box, so we'll go ahead and take a look what we've got here. So this one is a 218 Live for Something. Let's see what that's about. It's probably a Walmart Zippo, I'm sure it is. Matte black. If you don't live for something, you will die for nothing. That's a B of 20, so February of 20. Pretty cool. I'll have to put it and this one with my collection. I've got a little, like a shadow box type thing. I keep my Zippos in with a glass front, display purposes. So let's take a look at this one real quick. There we go. Another Marine Corps lighter. I have that high polished chrome marine lighter I showed in my Zippo collection 2021 video. So that's a olive matte finish. Price of $28.95. So that is a D of 2012. That's one of my older ones actually. April 2012. Pretty neat, still sealed up. Well, there you go too. I need to check my other Marine Corps lighter and see if it is the same way with this card in here. Officially licensed product of the United States Marine Corps. Huh. So, it's pretty neat. So there you go. 28337 Marines. So Marine Corps lighter. A matte black. If you don't live for something, you will die for nothing. Okay. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like I said, I was doing another video going through some stuff and happened to find these two that I forgot I even had. So that's always a good day when you find Zippos you didn't realize you still had. So thanks y'all for watching so much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Chili 1911 out.